Let's convert 3 ounces to grams. So if you have 1 ounce equals 28.35 grams. We call that a conversion factor, so you need to know that. And if we're going from ounces to grams, we're going to multiply by 28.35. If you went from grams to ounces, you just divide by that number. So we have our 3 ounces, and we multiply by our conversion factor there. And that's 28.35 grams per ounce. We have 28.35 grams in 1 ounce. So that's our conversion factor. What's really nice is now when we multiply, we have ounces on the top and the bottom. They cancel out. We're left with grams. We know we did it right. So we multiply, we get 85.05. I'm going to call it 85.1. And there's those grams. That's what we're looking for. So in answer to our question, when we change 3 ounces to grams, we multiply by this conversion factor here, this 28.35. We end up with 85.1 grams. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.